So my Vitamix wouldn't power up properly, so I figured now it is time to take it apart. Remember, anytime you're going to work inside something electrical like this, to unplug it before you open it up. These four little rubber bumpers on the bottom are actually pretty difficult to pry out, but it's just a friction fit. And then there are Phillips screws tucked in there. I think they are stainless, so you might have to flip it over to knock them out. The bottom just pops off. And then this also just slides off those sleeves. And then the particular area that I found to be the problem is right here. Some header connectors. And these are these little wires here. There's a pair of two black here, and then there's a gang of three, the green, black, and red connector there. And I found these to be a bit loose. So what I endeavored to do was to just spread the pins out a little bit to create some friction so that when the connector was on there, it just made a better connection. And then I wanted to apply a little bit of glue to keep it in place. So I just spread the pins out a little bit with a screwdriver and then wiggled the connections, the cable connectors back on such that they had a little bit tighter fit. And this, I just used a little RTV to make sure that they didn't wiggle off when the machine is vibrating so much. And then just turned it up on end. I did plug it in at this point, so I'm careful not to grab onto anything. And then just wanted to test to make sure that this time it powers up right as I hit the switch. And everything looked good, so I start the reverse to reassemble it. I did put a little glue dot on the tops of these stainless screws so I could just stick them on the end of the screwdriver and then align them and screw them in. And it is good to go.